What's up everybody, my name is Sean, welcome to my Take channel. Happy New Year, today is January 1, 2022. I know we're all hoping that this year is gonna be better than last year because of all the craziness that is still going on. But nonetheless, I hope you and your family are safe and thank you so much for watching this video. If you're a return subscriber, I cannot thank you enough for all your support and coming back yet again. And if you're new here, welcome. In this channel, I review tech gadgets, do unboxing reviews and tutorials. So if you think you like content like this, definitely remember to hit the subscribe button. And when you change the bell notification, make sure to hit all because that's the only way you'll be notified for all my future videos. I don't do this because of the money. I do this because I truly enjoy what I do. I got a full-time job, but I spend hours and hours and hours to research different content, shoot these videos, test them, edit them, upload them, read every single comment that you guys will post on my videos and so much more. So I can assure you, I'm not even making a fraction of what a minimum wage work will pay me. There are different ways that you can make money from your YouTube channel. The top 2 or 3 common ways, or the most obvious ones, are number 1, from YouTube ads. Number 2, those are from your affiliate links. And then number 3 would be sponsored deals and things like that. So in 2020, when I started my the year, I think my channel had only about 3,000 or 4,000 subscribers. And during the year 2020, I gained 3,800 subscribers. And I made about $4,351, which came from about 800,000 views from all my videos. And then there's a lot more we can dive right in as far as where my audience are from, which countries. Number 1 was US at 43%, and then India, UK, Canada, and Germany. Shout out to all the viewers. And then now let's dive right into year 2021. So you guys ready? Drum roll. In 2021, this channel had about 1.1 million views, total of almost 62,000 hours of watch time, and we gained a whopping 6,800 subscribers. Again, compared to 2020, that is not quite double, but it is very close to that. So thank you so much. If you want to take a look at how my daily views were, throughout most of the year, it looks like my daily views hovers in the 2,000. So let's call it average 2,500 views every day. Some of the peaks were typically during holiday season, about 6,300 views in one day. And to put that to perspective, in 2020, my average views was around the first half of the year was 3 digits. In the second half of the year, looks like it was dabbling around 1,200 views per day. So my views, for the most part, easily doubled, went from 1,200 to almost 2,400 views. So as you can see right here, my estimated revenue from YouTube ads in 2021 was $6,457. And we're going to break that down to give it a little bit more perspective and meaning as far as what that means. But let's go look at the subscriber count. So this is my daily subscriber count in 2021. As you can see, depending on the season, so it looks like in wintertime, it was a little bit more, some days as high as 58 subscribers that were added in one day. And then it will come down to hover around most days in high teens or mid-teens for the most part. Let's go take a look at the audience. So if you look at my, this is again the subscriber count, how many I was adding every day. But what's cool is you can kind of get an idea what are some of the views, where some of the customers are coming from. So a little bit of a difference this year. So UK is ranked 2nd at 7.2% versus 2020. I think it was ranked 4th or so. But the top 5 countries are still the same: US, UK, Canada, India, and Germany. But to put it to perspective, in case if you want to see how many countries are watching, this will give you an idea based on the percentage. And then after Germany, we'll get to
Australia, Philippines, Netherlands, Malaysia, Indonesia, Singapore, Italy, Mexico, France, Thailand, Brazil, Poland, Sweden, Spain, Sweden, UAE, Saudi Arabia, Russia, Ireland, Japan, Belgium, Turkey, Portugal, South Africa, Romania, Bangladesh, Vietnam, Israel, Denmark, Greece, Pakistan, Hong Kong, South Korea, Austria, New Zealand, Norway, Czech, Ukraine, Hungary, Switzerland, Colombia, Taiwan, Egypt, Finland, Colombia, and Lithuania.
So shout out to all those viewers. Thank you so much for supporting this channel and watching this video. And if you want to see the age, so you get an idea, looks like most of my viewers is between 25 and 34. That's about 34%. And then 18 to 24, that's 31%. And then 35 to 44. So basically 18 to 44. And most of them, I believe, are male. Yep. 86% male, 14% female. So in 2021, this is the rank of my most viewed videos. And what's interesting is sometimes I get so excited about a video that I put out because of the amount of time I put into this, because of the editing or whatever else I've done, and they end up just not doing too well, and it's very heartbreaking. But one thing, if you're gonna start a YouTube channel, you gotta know to be able to, you need to have a thick skin. You put a lot of effort into each of these videos, and then some of them, they're simply not gonna perform, and you have to move on. With that out of the way, these are the best performing videos. So the top, let's say 5, take a look at it. So this is my tech gift guide under $100. This, even though I published it in 2020, in 2021 actually performed really well. I got 350,000 views. This is my all-time best performing video, period. Second video was talking about my accident with my Apple Watch when I went swimming and then stopped working, and then my experience with Apple customer support, 67,000 views. This one, I'm so surprised why this video is doing too well. I just don't get it. This is a very cheap portable projector. The resolution is only 480p, and you literally can see the pixels when you project it. And I just don't know why it's performing well. It has 50,000 views, but nonetheless, and a keyboard video, and then an accessory for iPhone 12. And then the last piece I want to show you from my ad revenue before we move into my affiliate income, you can kind of get an idea how much monthly I made just from the ads alone. So in November, December, holiday season, you can see obviously views are significantly more, people looking for product suggestions, product reviews. And then you can kind of get an idea how much money I make from each of these videos looking at the ad. Then let's dive right into Amazon affiliates. So most of the products I review, whether it's a Chinese brand or some US brand products, almost for the most part, everyone sell on Amazon. Amazon affiliates, they're known that they don't pay the most amount of money, but they have a couple of benefits. One, you can find everything on Amazon for the most part. And also, when people click on your link, even if they buy something else from Amazon, you still get paid for it. On average, the amount of money you get, it's about 1 or 2% depending on the category. From Amazon affiliates in 2021, I made a total of about $4,100. You can kind of get an idea about how much every month is. So January and December are the highest month. So this past December, there were a total of 17,000 clicks on my link, you know, just below the description when you put the product links. So out of 17,000 clicks, 612 items were ordered, and I earned $734 from those 612 items. Obviously, I can't do the math right now, but I'm going to put the numbers on the screen. Looks like we're almost at about maybe $10,000 or $11,000 right now. And then the third way are any kind of sponsored deals you have. Sponsored deals are a little bit tricky, especially if you're a small YouTuber, because you don't really have a track record of having enough videos with high views or subscriber counts. After a while, typically it seems like the magic mark is 10,000 subscribers, even though views have nothing to do with subscribers. Once you pass the 10,000 subscriber count, then you start getting responses, and more companies will approach you for certain deals. Many of them I actually did end up turning down because I don't like the product, or I don't believe in it, or it just didn't seem like it would be a good fit for my channel. But I did end up getting a few deals, some smaller, some larger. If I were to sum up the other affiliated links as well as some of the sponsored links, sponsored deals I've had in 2021, I would say maybe an additional $2,000 or so. Again, I'm gonna put it on the screen, but I'm thinking we may be right around $13,000, $13,000. I think I put out about 45 videos in 2021. And then here's the other thing. I put a lot of money back into my channel this year. So I made nowhere near $13,000. For example, I was running out of storage. I had to get a RAID system server that cost me a few, $2,000 or $3,000. I ended up getting the Sony A7S III that I'm shooting right now. This desk is new. Some of my soundproofing is new. Some of the tools and equipments I had to get was new. And for example, the background music that I put on some of my videos, or when I do speaker tests, I get those from a service called artlist.io. I don't have to worry about any copyright strikes. That costs me about $200 a year. When I use stock photos for whatever else I need, some of these, for example, like these random videos that you will see sometimes pop up on the screen, I pay $300 per year for that. The only thing I can ask you in return for all the time I'm putting it in is just a few things. Every video that you watch, don't forget to hit that like button. That would mean a lot for the YouTube algorithm. So that way YouTube will put that in front of more people. If you do want to drop any comments, that will be a huge help again for the algorithm. But if not, it's not that big of a deal. If you haven't changed the bell notification to all, make sure you do that. So that way you won't miss my videos. Typically I put out about 3 or 4 videos every month, almost like one a week, sometimes less, sometimes more. Some month I only do 1 or 2, and some month I may end up doing 5 or 6, depends. The last thing is continue to give me your feedback. I read literally every single comment and questions you guys put out there. Anyways, I feel like I'm rambling at this point. Hopefully you found this video entertaining, maybe useful, but nonetheless, I wish you a happy new year. Hopefully you will have a great 2022. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel, and take care. I'll see you in the next one.